Have you heard about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra? After such impressive showings from the iPhone 15 Pro series and the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is shaping up to be another quality offering. Not only that, it could be heading our way sooner than we expect, full of gusto and ready to flex on the competition with some incredible specifications, in true Samsung fashion. Generative AI integration. First up, Samsung is going all in on bringing advanced generative AI to their devices. They're investing heavily in AI companies in 3D content AI. Samsung is also developing their own AI-powered language model, and teaming up with Qualcomm and Meta to integrate the AI system into the S24 Ultra. Google gave us a taste with the Pixel 8, but Samsung is taking things even further with the S24 Ultra. We can expect extremely personalized experiences, next-level photography capabilities, and an intelligent assistant. Unlike anything we've seen before, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to use the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chip globally. Previous Galaxy S series have had a mix of Snapdragon and Exos chips. Depending on region, this makes the S24 Ultra the first Galaxy S series phone to use the premium Snapdragon processor worldwide. AAA gaming via cloud. One standout feature Apple touted with the iPhone 15 Pro was the ability to natively run graphically intense AAA games. Unlike Apple, Samsung will offer AAA gaming through cloud streaming technology. This allows you to play high-fidelity console-level games without large downloads or installing the full game locally on your device. With the fast internet connection, you'll be able to play the latest AAA games with just a subscription fee. No need to pay full price for each game download. If we talk about its camera and screen size, its screen size is 6.8 inch with the resolution of 3088 by 1440 pixels, 501 ppi. Its main camera is 200 megapixel. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to be announced in February 2024 and to include Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor.